Hello, good viewers. Welcome again to the Families and Relationships YouTube channel. The question we have before us today is from a married woman, and she have asked the question that, can a man spend the whole day without talking to the woman he loves? That is the question we have before us now, and we are going to provide answers to that. Now let's go. Whether a man can spend the whole day without talking to the woman he loves depends on various factors, including the nature of their relationship, individual personalities, and external circumstances. Different couples have different communication styles and they have different needs, so there is no one size fits all answer. Some reasons a man may not communicate with the woman he loves for a day could be as follows. Number one, the man may have a busy schedule. Both individuals may have demanding schedules, work commitments, or personal obligations that limit their communication on a particular day. Number two is respecting independence. Some couples value independence, time, and understand that occasional periods of solitude can be healthy for personal growth. Number three is misunderstandings or conflicts. In some cases, misunderstanding or conflicts may lead to a temporary break in communication as individuals take time to process their thoughts and emotions. Number four is technology or distance. External factors like technological issues or physical distance may also play a role in hindering communication. It's important for couples to establish open communication about their preferences, expectations, and the dynamics that work best for them. If a pattern of extended silence becomes a concern, it's beneficial for both partners to discuss their needs and find ways to maintain a healthy and fulfilling connection. Every relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. Trust, commitment, and mutual understanding are crucial components in navigating the complexities of any relationship. So here you have it, the reasons why a man may spend the whole day without talking to the woman he loves. I'm going to see you in the next video. Before then, this video that's popping up by the side is the next you need to watch. Please subscribe to this channel and share the link of this video. See you in the next one.